welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a headband just like this one. The pattern was explained in the previous video. I will link to that. Then I added some edging and made it into a band. So let us begin the construction of the headband. Now this looks like a skinny scarf with a lacy pattern. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch it around and make it like a headband. Then we can do some scallop patterns on the round if we want to, or we can just stitch it in the round by joining these two ends. Now I'm going to join this, the beginning and the finishing ends together. Going to use my yarn needle and I am going to stitch these two ends together. This is a very easy beginner pattern. If you can make a double crochet, you can do it. Just go like this one, then go into the corresponding stitch in the other side, then just go back and forth. Very beginner project. You can make a headband with it. You can tie these ends together. So it will get secured. To make this end better, you can stitch. Just take the outer strands only, just like this. Go there. And just come up. Now you can cut it closer here. Then to make this one, it is not long enough, so I'm going to put my yarn needle in through this initial foundation chain, but only picking up a few strands of yarn. Then I just put that yarn on the yarn needle, then just push it through. Guess I got it something there. Yeah, just push the end out. Yeah, stretch a little bit so it won't go like. It will look better. Then cut closer to the work. Now that is a finished headband. It has no right side or wrong side, so it is just nice. If you really wanted to make a edging, you can go and make like a scalloped edges, or I want to just a row of double crochet or single crochet. So let us attach the yarn 1 2 3, then three, 4 5 here, then make a single crochet, then go to the next space created by the double crochets, make 5 double crochet there, then into the next stitch you can make a single crochet, you can do it here between these 2 rows, then again go and make a 5 double crochet, and a single crochet to the between the rows, like that till the end. Or you can go simply like a we have chain 3 spaces and double crochets, right? So we can just we can attach the yarn in between this where we join the 2 ends together. Chain 2, then go to the next space, double crochet in every possible space, as evenly as possible. I'm going to make it 2 double crochet on the edges. The edging will go like this. Isn't it easy to make a double crochet edging? If you are making it for kids, you can still use a different color to make it more colorful. Just like that, we'll finish and meet again. See, I am back to here, finished all the way through. So to join here, I'm going to insert the hook in onto the top chain of the chain 3 I started with, then grab the yarn, then go through the last loop. That's it, we are done with that edging. You go to the next stitch, get the yarn and go through your loop on the hook and pull it out. Now all you have to do is use your yarn needle, thread that leftover yarn, and then go through the stitch to the other side. You can do a couple of times. And the other side you can just stitch, pick up a little bit of the yarn, then go through just like that. Now there is a loop, right? So you can bring your yarn through the loop just like that. You can tie it. I will use my hook to hide the end of the yarn within the stitches. Got it closer to work. then make another edging in the other side, and you're done with that. Do the same thing for the other side. We will meet again once it is finished. Now I finished the double crochet edges on both sides, and looks like this. I can't even figure out where I joined the end. I think it is here. I don't know, might be here. Yeah, anyway, I have my beautiful flower here. I will link the pattern to this flower, and I can stitch it with a button on top of it to this one, or just attach it by stitching it. That's it, I'm done. It's a nice and easy pattern. You can go without the flower, you can attach the flower. That is your design, your decision, your headband. You can make it as a scarf. I will work on to bring up a pattern to make it as a beanie. Till then, now this is the, if you like this pattern, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will link to the pattern for this small flower in the description. We will meet again with another pattern in the next time. Till then, bye bye.